Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you a quick video on how I use Squidpoxy's new SQUID-FIX to secure the backs to my earrings. When you first get your new bottle, you're going to have to clip off your ends, and then I usually just use a piece of wax paper to dispense mine on, as I find it's easier to mix, and then you can just chuck it away when you're done. Once you squeeze your resin out, they have a convenient little cap to put on to keep it from drying up so you can reuse it again and again. A little goes a long way with this. Next, you'll want to mix your resin thoroughly for a couple minutes. Once you notice it's nice and clear again, then you're ready to go. Prior to this video, I gave each earring a quick sand so the resin would be sure to stick well. You'll see here I used a little spatula that comes in your kit to put a tiny bit of resin on the earring backs before placing them onto the earrings. And in a minute, you'll see me dip them directly into the resin. Either way works great, it's all preference. There are so many ways you can use SQUID-FIX, so I'll be making a few more tutorial videos soon to show you a few of my other favorite ways to use it. Thanks for watching.